Hey everyone, welcome back to my vlog. I'm Nandini Manohar. Today is 12th Feb. On 14th Feb is my son's birthday, that is on Valentine's Day. So I'm taking him out for his birthday shopping. I buy him clothes every year. So this year also I'm doing the same. Come Nihal. My handsome boy is coming with me for shopping. After shopping in Halan Sodi, you wanted to have burger, so we have come to McD. We have placed the order, we'll have and we'll go back to home. Happy birthday, my Valentine boy.
Thank you.
Many happy returns of the day, Nihal Chino.
Thank you, ma.
Always my arrangement.
It looks good.
You're happy? Everything is your favorite. So I wanted to do in different way. Always cutting cake with something old one. Already recording. Many happy returns of the day.
He ate the whole thing.
I thought he'll give me little, yeah.
Selfish boy.
Today is 14th February. As we know, today is Valentine's Day, and also my son's birthday is my Valentine boy. Many happy returns of the day, Nihal.
Thank you.
So we had a small celebration at home in different way, and tomorrow we are having we have planned lot many things. So stay tuned. Hey, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today is my son's birthday. I'm so excited because we are all going out for a celebration. Lunch we are going to a Barbecue Nation, which is his favorite place, and he wanted to have his lunch there. After coming back, we are going to my parents' place. There we are doing his cake cutting. After that, again we are going to dinner. We have not decided which place to go. But today I am fully busy. I think I'll be having great fun with my son. Nihal, come. I've kept everything ready. Come do puja. So this year we'll start with great success. Dear, come. Many happy returns of the day. Now it is 2 o'clock and we are booked table at 2:30 and my son is getting ready. It will take hardly 10 to 50 minutes to drive to Lido, and I think we'll be back by 4:30, and I hope we'll have great fun over there.
Thank you.
What is what?
This is fish apparently.
Which is fish? Hey, chutney only is not come. Wait, they don't give the chutney. Okay, what is what? Yeah, that is fish or what?
Prawn.
Prawn, huh? Andita, which one you are having?
I don't know, what is this? Chicken, no?
Prawn, I think.
That's it.
Chicken.
Mango that. This is palm. Nihal, which one you want?
Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Hey, hey, hey. Ha, ha, ha. La, 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 la. Hey, hey. Ha, ha, ha. La, 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 la. Congratulations. And celebration. It's invitation. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. I want to
Just now we finished our lunch. It is 5 o'clock and we are heading back to home. Today it was too late because of Valentine's Day, I think. Barbecue Nation was full. By the time we got the table, it was almost 3:30. So now we are going back home. After that, we have to plan what to do. Nihan, how was your party here? How was your lunch? Huh?
That's good.
You liked it?
Yeah.
And it was too late, no?
No.
Hey, 3:30 by the time we got the table. You're telling no.
Mm.
Hmm? Vandita,
Huh?
how was your lunch?
It was good. I'm too full. I want to go sleep now.
Always sleeping. Tomorrow you have exam, yeah? Go study.
Yeah. That also will be done.
Yeah, we are getting back to home. So we have to plan. Today, now we had great fun. We celebrated his birthday by cutting cake over there. After going back home, there also we have to do the same thing, and then we have to plan what to do. After coming from Barbecue Nation, we all took a small nap because we were very tired having more food. So now it is 7:30. We are going to my parents' place to cut cake. After that, we are planning to go to restaurant. I don't know which one. I thought of going to Nagarjuna. Let's see what will be the plan.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ನಾಯಕರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಮತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗಳು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗಿ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನಿಂದಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕುರುಬರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಈಗ ಈ ಕುರುಬ ಸಮಾಜದ ಬೇಡಿಕೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರ
Now we have done birthday celebration, and my daughter, she's looking like that to me. Because she's having exam tomorrow and she doesn't want to come. Even I don't want to disturb her because tomorrow is her exam, final exam. Let her study because morning till 5 o'clock she was busy with her brother celebrating birthday and we were out. So now she doesn't want to take any risk because she wants to do her exams well. Vandita, are you sure? Huh? You don't want to come? Puchima, don't want to come. I'll miss you so much. Come nicely, go. I won't have you. Don't worry. Okay, bye Vandita. Bye. See you soon.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
I'll get you parcel, okay? Don't worry. Bye bye. Take care. Bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye Vandita. Okay, Chinu, bye bye. We just came back home having a dinner in Nagarjuna Hotel. We choose Nagarjuna Hotel because of my parents. They like to have typical Andhra style food. In Nagarjuna, we'll get very good biryanis, then fish fry, then chili chicken, kebab. It is really yummy over there. And once in a while, even we too like to have. Now it is too late. I'm really exhausted. I want to go to bed. No energy at all. Tomorrow again I should wake up early. I should drop my daughter to her college for her exam. And today I missed her for dinner. She was preparing for her exam. She said, I won't come. Okay. And today is my son's day. He is very happy. And he had a great fun. His day was really awesome. So I am very happy that I made his day. So I am ending my vlog here. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And see you guys in another video. Bye bye.